Hi guys, so we're here talking about oxidation reduction reactions, which are also called redox reactions. So you might recall recently that you've learned about other types of reactions, say a precipitate reaction for which the driving force is formation of a precipitate, or perhaps an acid-base reaction for which the driving force is formation of water. So with an oxidation reduction reaction, the driving force is the transfer of electrons, which throughout this section I'll denote as E minus. So redox reactions usually occur between metals and nonmetals to form an ionic compound in which the metal becomes a positively charged ion or a cation, and the nonmetal becomes a negatively charged ion or an anion. So you'll recall from your knowledge of the periodic table that metals, group 1 and group 2 elements, usually become cations, and nonmetals from the right side of the periodic table become negatively charged ions. So because we know the conservation of matter tells us that electrons are neither created nor destroyed, that means that in a redox reaction, oxidation and reduction must be coupled. So you cannot have one without the other. So what is oxidation? Oxidation is the loss of electrons, or you can also think of it as the gaining of a positive charge. Reduction is the gain of electrons or the gaining of a negative charge. So you can guarantee that this is going to be a little difficult for you in the beginning to remember that reduction is the gaining of a negative charge. So there is a simple way in which to help remember this.